just released. (2024) 757 current livery. Disclaimer, I did inspect the model in the store. The store I go to, DG Pilot, also inspects all their models before they ship them out. So if they are not up to par or broken, they will ship them out to you in factory condition. So you will not receive a broken model that is not within quality spec from them. Are all of them perfect? No. But you will not receive a damaged or broken model. So, yeah. Exciting. Let's take a look. So on my initial inspection in the store, this model was actually pretty good. And that's rare coming from me. I usually have everything to nitpick apart. But yeah, this new release seems to look good from initial inspection. So here's how it comes. All beautifully packaged. Landing gear. The 757 stand, which is a Gemini 400 wide body stand, or a Gemini 200 757 stand. Nice screw in the bottom. Looks good. And the model itself. Here it is. 757-200, brand new release. Gemini Jets. And you see what I mean about they did actually a really good job on this one? Look how shiny that engine is. That is gorgeous. That is better than they've done for quite a long time. The fan blades look good too. There's a little bit of burring, but the widget model also has the burring, and it's really not bad on this one. The side engine too. It's actually like really good quality. Yeah. So yeah, I know there's that little window imperfection, but the one I inspected before I inspected this one was worse. So yeah. Take that piece of plastic off and grab the one down that I dropped real quick. So this is a Delta registered plane, Delta Airlines. But overall, for a new release, I'm not seeing much imperfection on this. Like, they did a really good job on this. Engine cowling is pretty good. Like, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous model. Fun fact, I rode on 2 of these without winglets. It was just so ironic because I see a lot of the 757-2s with winglets at the Sky Club, but I rode on 2 757s back to back down to Florida without winglets on them. So this is kind of a tribute to that trip I took as well. Cockpit window printing is good. This is really a beautiful, awesome model. After all the disappointment I've had lately with the models I've been receiving, this is a good refresher. So let's sit it down, take a look at the landing gear. We'll put the landing gear on, and then we'll set it on the table and take a look. Nice thick plastic bag. A little bit of twisted wheels there. I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna have to take a look at that. The 7.5 landing gear, the new versions, aren't known to be perfect. But none of these models are, as we know. So I also have the United 7.5 too, with the unique United Evo Blue winglets. So let's see how it fits. Yeah, this one's a little wonked up there with the wheels. But maybe once it sits on the ground, it'll be okay. Just can't get over how good a quality they did on those engines. We haven't seen that since 2019 on a new release. So this side is very loose. I don't know what's going on there. There it is with the gear on. Some very wonky rear gear there for sure. I'm gonna have to play with that a little bit. Yeah, I don't know what's quite going on there. There we go. Clicked into place a little bit better. That's supposed to sit up in there like that. It's got the squishy attachment, no magnets for the front. All right, let's set it down and see how it looks. All right, here she is. Gear is a little wonky on this one, but I can deal with wonky gear. You can always replace gear. Can't replace imperfections. It's the fan blade. I don't think the fan blades spin on this, but that's okay. They did a good job on it. No winglets. See that gear door? It's a bit low. The wheels are a bit weird on this one. That's okay. Gemini hit a home run on this release in terms of quality control, and the quality control we have been getting recently. This is way above the norm we've been getting so far. So, all right, let's put it on the stand and I'll show you what she looks like. Hard to get the gear to sit right. Especially this one. All right. All right. Just for this show, wanted to bring some special guests in. Say hello to 757-300. Absolutely massive flying pencil. She doesn't even like to stay on her stand because it's just so big. It's supposed to sit like that, but it doesn't. And I dare to say the quality on the new release engines is even better than this release. And this is G2DAL1307. I'm pretty sure this is the last release, the final release, the most recent release of the 757-300. Beautiful aircraft, happy to have it in my collection. And of course, United, the Rolls-Royce RB211, and the special winglet. Also, an absolutely beautiful aircraft. Gemini hit it out of the park with this one. I know the 757 nose shape isn't very good, but other than that, this one has the dark, shiny blue engine paint. It's very good. Unlike some of the newer releases like the United 757-300, which struggles in terms of engine paint and color. But this one is very fantastic. Beautiful. All right, There's also another reason I brought these models down here. You're just going to have to stay tuned and watch the next video to find out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Absolutely gorgeous model. Home run.